Ashton, Mr. LaJoyne, Mr. Fellows, Miss Blair, Act 1, beginners, please.
Maybe Act 1 beginners is what we'll get. What do you think?
Dottie and Blair stuff together to for beginners. Now she knows she's got to be on stage in 5 minutes. Won't she?
Will she?
You know what Dottie's like.
Oh, we've only been on the road for a month. We've only been to Ashton Berlin. What's going to be like by the time we get stopped and on tees?
If only she'd speak.
When she'll unlock her dressing room door. Look, if Dottie won't go on.
Oh, won't go on?
Well, if she won't.
She will.
Of course she will.
Won't she?
Of course she will, but she doesn't.
Oh, she has to.
She will. She will. But if she didn't.
I got 5 minutes to change. Oh, 4 minutes.
If only she'd say something.
I'm gonna have another go.
Okay.
Get your mind off your own problems anyway.
Has she gone?
Lloyd, Anton, are you coming today?
I wasn't. I haven't.
And maybe got you here.
I'm not yet. I'm in Aberystwyth rehearsing Richard III.
Alright, but Dottie and Gary.
I don't want anyone to know I'm in.
Oh, but Dottie and Gary.
I just want 2 hours alone and undisturbed with Brooke in her dressing room between shows. And then I'm on the 7:25 back up to Wales. This is for Brooke. Put it somewhere safe and make sure Selsden doesn't get his hands on it.
Right, how's it going, bro?
Good. There's a little flower shop across the road from the stage door. I want you to go and get me some very large and expensive looking flowers.
Right, but they've had some kind of bro.
Don't let Poppy see them. They're not for Poppy.
Right.
The first house finishes just after 5, yes?
Lloyd.
The 7 house starts at 7:30.
Lloyd, that's what I'm trying to tell you. There may not be a show.
She hasn't walked out already.
Well, no one knows what else she's doing. She's locked herself in her dressing room and just won't speak to anyone.
You've called beginners?
Yes.
Well, I can't play a complete love scene from Cold in 5 minutes. It's not dramatically possible.
Well, they've had bust-ups in the past before, of course.
Brooks had bust-ups with Gary.
Oh, Brooke, not Brooke, Dottie.
Dottie.
Well, they had a famous bust-up the week before last when they were playing our workshop.
You told me on the phone.
Well, she went out with that journalist bloke.
Journalist, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, but this time it's happened again. This time, Gary's threatened to kill him.
Kill him. Right, I know.
Yes, but this time it's happened again. 2 o'clock this morning, I'm wakened by a great bang on my door. It's Gary. Do I know where Dottie is? Well, she hasn't come home.
Tim, let me tell you something about my life. I have the Duke of Buckingham on the phone to me for over an hour after every rehearsal complaining that the Duke of Gloucester is sucking boiled sweets through his speeches. The Duke of Clarence is off for the entire week doing a commercial for some French salon. Richard, would you believe, Richard III has come down with a back problem. I keep getting angry messages from Brooke about how unhappy she is here, and now she's got herself a doctor's certificate for nervous exhaustion. She's going to walk. I had no time to find or rehearse another Vicky. I have just one evening while Richard is fitted for a surgical corset to cure Brooke of nervous exhaustion with no medical aids except a little whiskey. You've got the whiskey.
Yes.
A few flowers. You've got the money for the flowers. And a certain faded charm. So I haven't come to the theatre to worry about other people's problems. I've come to be taken out of myself and preferably not put back again.
Yes, but Lloyd.
Have you done the front of house calls?
Calls.
And do not let Poppy see the flowers.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 3 minutes.
We're gonna be so late up.
No luck.
Belinda's having a go. I haven't started the front of house calls yet, and money. What's this for?
Oh, that's her.
Oh, whiskey.
Oh.
Well, where did you find that?
Oh, well.
Up here. You mean Sultan's hiding them around stage now?
Oh, well.
You're just gonna play the ladies' blue. At least you won't go in there.
Okay.
No. You know what Dottie's like when she's like this. Oh no. Look, he's hiding them around stage now. Oh, good lord. No.
No.
You didn't try for very long, my precious.
No. Well, dear.
He's hiding them on stage now.
Well, no, because Gary came rushing out of his room in a great state. I couldn't quite understand what he was saying, and I often feel that I must have missed something somewhere with Gary. But anyway, he was saying that he wanted to kill me.
Oh, my poor sweet.
I thought I'd better leave him to it. I mean, I don't want to make things worse. But he's all right, is he?
Anything but, by the sound of it.
Well, he's going on.
I don't know at this point. It could be anything right now.
Gary's going on. What's all this about Gary not going on?
Yes, because if Gary doesn't go on, then you have to go on for him. And if you have to go on for him, then Poppy has to be on book and can't go on for Donna.
This is getting farcical.
Honey?
That's for... Oh. She's a funny woman, you know, that Johnny. So up and down. She was perfectly all right last night, though.
Last night?
Yeah, she took me for a drink after the show in some club she knows about.
She was with you? You were with her?
Well, yeah, she was being very sympathetic about all my troubles.
She's not going to sink her teeth into it. I won't let her.
No, she couldn't have been nicer. In fact, she came to my digs afterward for a cup of tea, sat there until 3 o'clock this morning. I don't know what the landlady thought.
And another thing. Nothing against my sweet. Where's Selson? It turns out that Freddie here's the... Selson? He's not in his dressing room. Oh my gosh, I would have guessed. Hold the front house calls. You do the calls, I'll look for Selson.
Oh, what shall I do?
Nothing, my sweet.
Right.
You've done quite enough already. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 3 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 2 minutes. Where'd those flowers come from?
Well, Tim told me they're for you. Oh.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Isn't that sweet of him?
Oh, very charming. Oh.
All right. I go with Chelsea. Hold these. Coffee.
Yes. Hold these.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 1 minute.
She said 3 minutes. She gave him 3 minutes. I gave him 3 minutes. She gave him 3 minutes. I think it's all these.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 2 minutes.